Okay, I'm in my neighbor's yard, and I don't know how much this is showing up, but that's the house. I don't know if you can see the house, but missed the house. And I'm alongside the house. I should take a video tomorrow. We'll come off tomorrow. But it went alongside our house. All kinds of tree branches everywhere. And then, but this is the big one right here. This took all kinds of branches out up there. And this is probably the one I heard, but didn't realize it was in the front yard. And I mean, it was a big chunk of that tree. I mean, look, there's even